All right, good morning, guys. Welcome back to Half Fast. Man, I can't talk. Welcome back to Half Fast 719. I am cleaning all of these bolts and stuff in the, I guess I could show you kind of a before and an after. During. Right now it's just heating up. I'm heating it up because I wanted to do this video of this kit or setup, whatever I got from Hot Shot Secrets. Sucks because I just bought a whole funnel kit. Anyway, they sent me this funnel. I didn't know they were going to. I didn't know they were sending me a funnel kit. Sorry, guys. I don't know what's wrong with me. I can't talk. I was talking earlier just fine. Making a video about the Kia. Maybe it's inhaling this, which isn't any fumes. Anyway, let's get to it. Oh, man. So this, as you can see, it's going to be like an unboxing. So this is a Frantz filter. Frantz. So powered by science. Established 1953, but I believe like the 40s and whatever, this kind of system was kind of created. That's the part number. So 5.9, I think, but it still works for the 6.7 Cummins. I don't need to show you my address. But anyway, I guess when you order something off of their website, I think that was $150 because right now they're doing a t-shirt. I looked and actually I got an email. But it said if you spend $150, you get a t-shirt. Last week, I think it said $150, you get a decal sticker, but whatever. And I'm assuming the week before that, you got a funnel kit. So, I have no clue, but I buy a lot of Hot Shot Secret stuff. As you can see, I got the EDT. This is the winter defense. This was for my Audi during the winter. Everyday diesel treatment. I have a lot more somewhere else. I don't know where it's at. But I use their Stiction Eliminator. Oh, it's right here. Stiction Eliminator. They sell some pretty good products. This I was using in the Audi, my TDI Audi A6. Because I had a timing chain rattle and it would get rid of it. So, because the tensioner would stick. But anyway, let's get to this video. It's unboxing. I'm not going to install it. I was planning on installing it this morning, but I wanted to get rid of all this nasty bolt stuff. I cleaned up a bunch of other stuff already. These little caps. This whole valve block, grid heater. This was all just done with super clean. And this is a block heater. My skid steer does not have a block heater. Oh, it's silicone, but whatever. Anyway, let's open it. So I already opened it. I opened it a couple days ago. There was a package in here. I'll get to that package, but this is wire loom. I think whenever the wife gets home, I'll probably have to stop recording, help her bring groceries in, but this is wire loom. There's no wire to it. This is to cover the hose if you don't like blue. So this is blue hose. It's very good quality, 6.3 millimeter, which is 1/4 inch. hose. This is a Parker Push Lock Plus, high temp up to 400 psi. Anyway, high quality hose. I don't know the footage, how many feet they give you, but let's just say I am X feet tall. Probably give you 10 feet. So anyway, I don't like blue, so thankfully they give you, it'd be nice if they gave you a choice of color of hose, but I'll be wrapping it with the wire loom. So this is what came in this clear package. It is a card. Lubricant Specialties, Frantz, Mike Meyer. Anyway, so it's a card, a sticker, a pin. It says Frantz. I don't know how to say their name. I don't know if it's Frantz, no clue. Get the most out of your bypass filter. They want you to use Fortified Oil Stabilizer Nano Lubricant, TBN. And they want you to use quality oil, which is Hot Shot Secret Oil. Labs, change it down, change your oil. It says change the bypass filter every 7,500 to 15,000 miles. So, anyway. And then that's to keep the detergents replenished. And then here's all the instructions, guys. So it says 8-foot hose, 8-foot covering, but I think they gave me more than that. I did order 2 extra filters. Yes, this is just toilet paper. It's like Scott's toilet paper or some other toilet paper. Anyway, the wife is home. Let me help her with groceries, and I'll be back. All right, so helped wife get the groceries. Ran some more bolts through this cleaner. Things are looking way better. Yeah, anyway. Get back to the unboxing. So, you get the instructions. So you can see a clamp, V-bang clamp, the knob, the pull ring, base gasket, filter base, cellulose media, container, the hose cover, the bracket and hardware, spare gaskets, all these fittings, more fittings, and the oil thingy. But we'll do an install video hopefully tomorrow when I can actually talk. But you just want to get on top of your oil filter housing. See, 5967 Cummins bypass filter. It's weird that. Anyway, so this is all the components you get, parts, part numbers, in case you want something different. Anyway, stainless steel bracket. That's funny. Some Hot Shot Secret gloves. 2 O-rings, which I bought separately. A mess. All the fitting screws. Some I thought was anti-seize, but apparently it's a thread sealer by Frantz. hose clamps. These are like high pressure fuel line hose clamps. Some screws for this. However, they're not self-drilling. We have the oil filler cap. Because what happens, this is already ready to go. It's already sealed. This is an updated design. Because the other design from what I watched from back in the day, yeah, this you'd have to take this off to get the cap off. So now they include its high pressure disconnect, which you can just leave this, tighten this on there and leave it that way. It's funny that they do the Hot Shot secret, and then yeah, I don't know. Let's say you didn't want the filter, the oil going back in there. You can run it. You can disconnect this and leave it doing whatever. Basically, it won't flow once if this is disconnected. This is a high pressure like hose clamp, but it's for hydraulic fluid or whatever. So here's this piece. It comes preloaded with an oil filter inside of it. So anyway, there's that. Here is the toilet paper. You can see it's just toilet paper, Scott's toilet paper. There's that. Let's see if I can set you somewhere. So you can see it's even got the perforated lines. If you were gonna use it for toilet paper, maybe not. But anyway. Maybe. Yeah, right there. Anyway. So there's that. This pops off. That goes down in there. You can see the screen membrane. So anyway, that goes in there. You want to make sure this goes on the bottom of the fuel filter, oil filter, because you are going to stick this roll in this canister like this, making sure that that's in there, because when this is fully saturated with oil, that's the way you take this out, is with that. So just put that back in like that. Make sure this O-ring is good. I'm not gonna completely assemble it because I have to use this bracket to attach it. So I bought 2 extra rolls of toilet paper, thinking it was a gimmick, that it wasn't toilet paper, but it is toilet paper. I think it's Scott's single ply toilet paper. I'll probably put it in a bag so that it doesn't get contaminated with dirt and stuff. And like I said, I ordered O-rings, 2 new O-rings, which these O-rings are pretty reusable. But now I gotta figure out where to put it on the truck. I'm gonna let this run. It's gonna get noisy. Hopefully you can hear me now, but Yeah, that ultrasonic cleaner kills the sound. Anyway, truck is dirty, truck is filthy. Like I said, I don't know where I'm gonna put it because I don't have room here where some people put theirs. I might try. At the same time, I don't want to make a mess, so I might be putting it underneath the truck, somewhere away from steering components. But I don't know yet, because I got this big old air filter unit. But yeah, and like I said, I don't want to make a mess. So we shall see where I install it. Like I said, I'm probably going to install it somewhere under here. But anyway, guys, not sure if I might play with it today, because a lot of people put theirs like right in here. I believe you can install it any way you want. I believe you can install it like this, like this, like that. I've seen some people install it like that. That just seems like a mess. So when you break that loose, it just seems like it's gonna be a bunch of noise. Anyway, guys, that's gonna be the unboxing video. We'll figure out how I'm gonna do it and go from there. I'll probably do a video of it running with the oil coming out of it. Show you guys how dirty it is, and I probably only have 500 miles on this oil change. Anyway, guys, yep, we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, do what you do, and like I said, there'll be an install video coming shortly. Later, guys.